So, hi guys, so this is me. Um, my mother's recording me.
Saan ka pupunta?
Where I'm going with my mother. So, I'm going to the church. Hey, James. We're going to the church for the Easter egg, and we're gonna ride a bike. Okay, school vibe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ride the e-bike.
Aakyat kami ng third floor kasi dun mag-a-assemble yung mga bata. So, third floor. Second floor pa ba yun, be? So, sa third floor. Kay, dito yung mga bata. Halang ganda dito, be! Wow! Ito pala yung church. Yan. Sacred Heart Parish Church dito sa Brookside. Dito kami nagsisimba lagi. Wala na.
So, we're in a adjustment. I don't know what it's called.
Saan ka ba? Sabi mo na dito ka sa third floor.
Okay, so we're in a formation center, and
Kasama mo yung ibang kids.
look everywhere, but we're in a front camera, and I'm the only one who's gonna find it. Yeah. So sana maraming egg. Yeah. Mara sa that. So clock it. Good luck for me.
Like the energy, I like the everything. Pero bago tayong magsimula, tayo po muna ay mag-sasayaw. At dahil maingay kayo, dito kayo sa harap. Kayo kayo. Kung sino po yung may gustong sumayaw, punta po sa harap. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Forward!
Magi-start na sila.
Ang hindi makinig, hindi bibigyan ng
Magi-start na
mabulutong
sila sa Esther Egg Hunt. And si Samira ang nangunguna. 2 lines. Pero nauna na yung mga bata na below 9. Tapos ito naman is 9 years old hanggang 14 years old. Sila yung naiwan.
Forward.
Yan ang nagkagulo na yung mga bata. Naghanap na sila ng itlog. Wala pa. Ala, nagkagulo na sila. Ayun. Wala pa, mga below 9 pa lang to. Go, kids! Hanapin nyo na yung egg. Na, baba na sila. Ayan na si Marlapi. Wala na? Ayun, bilisan mo, dali.
I leave behind all that once was mine, carrying hope that lights my way divine. With every step I feel the strength of a new dawn. My soul is renewed, ready to move on. The winds of change are blowing endlessly. A new address awaits me, a chance to